Assalamualaikum and a very good morning. How are you all? I hope that you all are fine and very happy. So let's start the work. How's the weather like today? Today is cold sunny day. What is the date today? Today is Wednesday. W-E-D wed N-E-S-N-E-S D-A-Y day. Wednesday, 16th December, 2020. Our subject is maths. So my dear students, today we are going to do the addition sums. Double digit addition sums. So first starts the activity. Okay, so here we go for activity. Here we have some bricks. 1, 2, 3. 3 bricks. I want to add 2 more. 3 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. 3 is in our mind. Now add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. Here we have some balls. 1, 2, 3. And I want to add 1 more. Now let's start forward. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. Okay, so here we have a string. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 balls in it and and I want to add 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now start forward. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Our answer is 9. Here we have some balloons. 1, 2. 2 goes to minds and 1 finger out. 2 is in our mind. Now add 1, 2, 3. 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So this is our activity. I hope that you enjoyed it. Now let's start the copy work. So first we have to write the date. Wednesday 16 December, 2020. Let's start the work. 2 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. Start forward. 3, 4. 3 goes to minds, 3 fingers out. Start forward. 7, 8, 9. Now the next one. 7 goes to minds and 1 finger out. 8. 3 goes to minds, 4 finger out. Start forward. 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. Start forward. 6, 7. 2 goes to minds and 1 finger out. 3. Now the next one. 6 goes to minds and 0 fingers out. 0 means nothing. So its answer is 6. 3 goes to minds and 2 fingers out. Start forward. 4, 5. 3 goes to minds and 1 finger out. 4. 5 goes to minds and 4 fingers out. Start forward. 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is your work. I hope that you understand it. Do it in your neat and clean handwriting. So my dear students, I hope that you all have understand today's work. It is very easy. Keep good care of your health. Allah Hafiz.